Today, we've got some exciting rumors about the cameras on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series. If you're a fan of smartphone photography or just curious about what Samsung has in store for 2024, this video is for you. We're diving into everything we know so far about the cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and even a potential S25 Slim. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25. While we don't have official confirmation yet, early leaks suggest that the camera setup on the S25 will likely be very similar to last year's Galaxy S24. We're looking at a 50 megapixel main camera with an f/1.8 aperture, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. As for the front-facing camera, expect a 12 megapixel sensor for those sharp selfies. Now here's the interesting part. While the megapixel counts could stay the same, leaks indicate the image signal processor, ISP, will get an upgrade with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This could mean better processing power, which translates to improved image quality. Think better low light performance, faster autofocus, and more accurate color reproduction. So while the hardware might not change much, we're still expecting some significant improvements in overall camera performance. We'll have to wait and see if there are any surprises, but that's the best guess so far. Next, let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Now, if you're hoping for major changes here, you might be disappointed. The S25 Plus is expected to have the same camera setup as the standard Galaxy S25. That means a 50 megapixel primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, exactly like the S24 Plus. The front camera will also stick with the 12 megapixel shooter. While this is a bit of a safe bet, it's still a solid setup for photography enthusiasts. Typically, the Plus models and the base models share the same cameras, so don't expect any surprises here unless we get new leaks closer to launch. Now let's get to the real excitement, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If there's one phone in the S25 lineup that could see significant camera upgrades, it's this one. Sources suggest that the S25 Ultra will feature a 200 megapixel main camera, keeping the same /1.7 aperture as the S24 Ultra. However, the biggest change seems to be with the ultra-wide camera, which is rumored to get a huge upgrade to a 50 megapixel sensor, compared to the 12 megapixel ultra-wide on the S24 Ultra. Additionally, the S25 Ultra will still have its 50 megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. The front camera, same as the other models, -12 MP. While there have been some rumors about even bigger upgrades, like a larger 1-inch 200 megapixel sensor and multiple telephoto lenses, those seem more speculative at this point. For now, the best guess is that the S25 Ultra will have a camera setup very similar to the S24 Ultra, just with a beefed up ultra-wide sensor. And finally, there's talk of a Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim. This is still in the rumor phase, but if it does arrive, it might come with an ultra-level camera, possibly borrowing the 200 megapixel sensor from the S25 Ultra. However, details about the S25 Slim's camera are still scarce. One leak suggests it could have a stronger camera than the standard S25, but since we don't have much concrete info yet, it's hard to say for sure. We're eager to see if this Slim model really delivers on the camera front. We'll just have to wait and see. What do you think? Are you excited about these potential camera upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25 series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.